Well, greetings, here we are with Smudge and her kittens. She's got 4 little kittens, haven't you? Quish, I got lovely kittens. I know you have. Oh, Mum, I want some milk. You want some milk, do you? Oh, you want to get warm. You better be careful, it could rain today. You're going to put them in the warm. Quish, I don't like the rain. It'll be okay. Oh, Mum. Oh, give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Little one. So Smudge got her 4 kittens there. And a few weeks they'll be going to new homes. And Smudge will be going to the vets. So no more kittens for Smudge. Oh, but you're super cute, aren't you? Oh. So nice. Oh, never a moment's peace with little ones, is it? It's just so nice. And little one over there, what are you doing? Quish? So which one are you going to go and see Kara? We could go see Kara. Wait, your new home. Is Kara going to look after us? She'll look after you. So, over a year ago, Smudge was a little kitten herself. She got her little kittens, which was not planned, but she's old enough to look after them. And she'll be going to the vet soon. And no more. Here, Push. We're going to get you some food. Anybody hungry? Is anybody hungry? Little one there. Are you hungry? Oh, quick. I need to go and see my mum. You can come and see your mum if you like. Come on then. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 kittens and the wonderful Smudge. We all love Smudge. Oh, kisses, Mum, kisses. Oh, let me sleep. Another 5 minutes. Go and see Dad. You are very nice, though. Nice and cosy and warm. You have to make sure that, obviously, that you don't get wet. Oh, there's little one round the back. Wants to come and play. Oh, I'm coming round, Quish. I'm coming round. I've got to get round this great big mountain. It's got a blanket. I know it's a blanket. You're going to come out and see your mum? Yes, oh, Mum, I'm here. Did you miss me? I didn't go too far. That's good. Oh, let's all climb on Mum. Oh, let Mum have a bit more peace and quiet. Oh, all nice and cosy and warm. And we got a visitor here as well. Who's that? Trigger. Trigger? Trigger. Trigger the pig is come round here. Quish, why have we got a pig? Why have we got lots of things? I'm just going to climb on Mum now. Oh, is she going to play some games? Oh, we got some games. Anyway, we better go. Oh, Mum, can I have on your back? I'm going to climb on your back. Oh, oh, oh! Get off it! Get off it! Get off it! Oh, we'll catch up with you later.